Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're taking a look at the Tijuana Mama pickled sausage and the Big Mama pickled sausage. If you want to learn more about them, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the Big Mama pickled sausage and the Tijuana Mama pickled sausage. Now, these both cost me $1.89 at the local liquor store. I'm curious to see how many calories one of these things have in. $170 calories for this one. And 180 calories for the Tijuana Mama. Now, I never heard of these till the other day. My buddy Matt asked me if I ever had them. I said, I never even heard of them. I said, it must be an Indiana thing. Then I looked on the package. Chicago, Illinois. Which ain't all that far from the state of Indiana. I'm going to go ahead and start with the Big Mama, because he warned me that these are hot. These are hot, but they're good. A glass of water to cleanse the palate between the two, and paper towels in case something goes wrong. Try it again. There we go. This actually smells really spicy. This has a slight aroma of like a brine, like a pickling brine. But I really smell the spiciness. Mechanically separated chicken, pork, soy, protein, whatever, and salt, natural flavors, contains less than 2% of corn syrup, beef, paprika, sodium, white vinegar, water, salt. Red number 40. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, take a nice big bite. Okay, I can honestly say, I don't like it. It's not spicy at all. It smells a lot spicier than what it actually is. But it kind of reminds me of ketchup, and you mix pickle juice with it. That's the only real flavor I'm getting. And the texture's not a sausage texture. It's like a really firm hot dog. I mean, it's kind of hard to explain. But I know I really don't like it. Let's go ahead and try the Tijuana Mama. 400% hotter than Big Mama. Well, that wasn't hot at all, I don't think so. Ain't much of a stretch to be 400% hotter. Smells about the same. Actually looks about the same. Go ahead, give it a little taste. I can honestly say that was actually a complete letdown. Yeah, it's not really hot. Even at 4% hotter, it's still not really hot. It tastes better than that. It doesn't have that strong ketchup pickled taste to it. So I say pickled ketchup taste. The only real flavor I'm getting is I don't know. It's hard to describe. It's kind of like a real bland spice. So overall, I hate to say it, especially since they're like almost $2 a piece. I don't like them. Maybe it's just a regional thing. You know, you develop a taste for them. But that's 54% hotter. It's really not all that hot. The flavor's not there. It really doesn't have much of a flavor other than pickled juice ketchup kind of taste. Okay, so with all that said, I'm not even going to rate this. It's so low. I mean, 0 stars. I mean that's being generous, even giving it 0. I wish there was a negative scale for it. So if you see them and you like them, great. Otherwise, save your money, buy something else. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe 1000, and as always, thank you for watching.